Pharma products don't necessarily welcome sunny days the way workers do. For example, trained professionals with the right set of skills would immediately recognize the potentially irreversible damage to healthcare shipments loaded inside a container that has been left in the sun. Can your organization afford not to have skilled professionals on board? Global biopharma sales increased during the COVID-19 period and will continue to grow in the post-pandemic world. Supply chain stakeholders must have personnel with the necessary skills to efficiently and safely handle time and temperature-sensitive products. Properly handling healthcare shipments throughout the supply chain has a direct and positive impact on patient safety and can improve people's life. Furthermore, it frees up time for value-added duties such as business development. Hi, I am Navot Hirshon. For over a decade, I was the Pharma responsible person for an international cargo airline. My job was to ensure successful and efficient pharmaceutical transportation from point of origin all the way to the final destination. If you are a booking agent for a freight forwarder, you have an extremely important role to translate customer requirements into the right handling instructions. Operation manager for a GHA, you must know how to coordinate the proper handling of all time and temperature sensitive pharmaceutical products. Are you a cargo agent? At the end of the day, you are the person physically handling the cargo. You must know how to recognize healthcare shipments, and you must know all the do's and don'ts that may affect product integrity. Training manager, you must be able to perform a training need analysis and be able to understand what training topics your organization must provide to its employees. Are you a QA manager? If something goes wrong with healthcare shipment that your organization handled, you must be able to investigate the irregularity, determine the root cause, and come up with corrective and preventive actions to ensure that incidents never occurs. Your mutual effort will make the difference. Recognizing healthcare shipments as such is only one of many links in an unbroken temperature-controlled supply chain. A successful, safe, and secured temperature-controlled supply chain consists of development and maintenance of a quality management system, identification and control of key risk factors at critical control points, use of dedicated equipment by trained personnel at a correctly installed and maintained infrastructure, correct thermal packaging handling, and more. Different organizations with different qualifications and competences are involved in the transportation of healthcare shipments. Make sure that you as a stakeholder coordinate, cooperate, and collaborate to contribute to an efficient, safe, and considerate performance. Training will also familiarize personnel with the latest industry standards so that all organizations follow best practice. There are far-reaching consequences for a failure to properly handle time and temperature-sensitive healthcare shipments. Patient safety, business reputation, and revenue can all suffer. Increased insurance premiums and a potential loss of jobs are among other unwelcome outcomes. Avoiding failure is easier if you have a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. We live in an era of information that is widely available, but what is really important is our knowledge. That knowledge comprises three components: focused and relevant information, theoretical and practical experience, the right set of skills, both hard and soft, that enables professionals in relevant organizations to successfully achieve their goals. Professional training and exercise ensure that organizations with responsibility for transporting healthcare shipments have the know-how and personnel with the relevant functional skills to cope with a variety of complex logistic scenarios. This in turn develops a competitive edge for any organization, helping them retain existing customers and attract new ones. Would you like to stay ahead of the curve in one of the fastest growing sectors on the planet?